Hi friends, good morning. I am Jeshma. Uh, my project topic is EduCTX. It's a blockchain based higher education credit platform. Project coordinator Sunil Chakravarti sir. Let me start my presentation. First of all, contents, introduction, then literature survey about my topic, then I explain the proposed system, design and implementation, hardware and software requirements, then implementation, screenshots, conclusion, future scope and reference. I introduce my topic, EduCTX. It's a most important benefit for EduCTX for educational field and institutions. It's a blockchain based technology. Blockchain means each data are depend on their previous data. All data are stored in a nodes. So each nodes depend on their previous and next node. So it's a connected ring, as like a connected ring. Blockchain based decentralized higher education credit platform, EduCTX. It's based on a globally unified higher education credit and grading system, based on EUTS, European Standard Transmission Accumulation System, ECTS. The blockchain decentralized higher education credit platform is working based on ECTX. Here, transactions and data are not in control of any other third-party organization. Data is very secure because each data is connected with their historical transaction. Whenever any malfunction is occurred, there will be not allowed any malfunction here. If we want to change any data from any node, we must change its previous node. So each data is connected one to another. It's a chain based. So there were any third party organization can control our data or credit. Here data means students details, students credit, internal marks and other grades. Here ECTX tokens are used. These tokens indicated that each node's value, each credit, grades, etc. Here we proposed a global unified view of the higher education system. Here a transparent view for the students and higher education system. Not only higher education system or institutions, organization, etc. Here a unified global view. Whenever any universities want to change each student's details, they could not contact with the colleges or directly. We propose our here I propose a prototype of EduCTX system. For implementation of the prototype, ARC blockchain method is used. Open source ARC blockchain platform. I implemented the prototype model of blockchain-based higher education credit platform. Distributed here, records and data are distributed decentralized manner. So managed different nodes and their miners. Globally distributed peer-to-peer network. It's a peer-to-peer network is used. Each node is connected with the next node on previous node. Is very secured and very integral, and this platform is very beneficial for the higher education system. A unified view, transparent view for students and university and colleges, extra. One of the most important benefit for this system is that anyone cannot be changed the students' credit and grades. Once upon a data is entered to the system, could not be changed that internal marker. Next, literature survey. So many papers are arrived based on the blockchain technology. Different this arrives in different fields. Medical field, media technology for society benefits, industries, etc. First of all, Media Lab Learning Initiative Digital Certificate Project. We know that a lot of fraud certificates are produced. Here, this Media Lab Learning Initiative is based on blockchain technology. It's verify that educational certificate quality, creating and sharing original certificate. By using this technology, certificate value is checked by any universities everywhere. Next, blockchain technology, the foreseeable impact of society and industry is proposed by T. Aste and P. Tasca and T. D. Matter. Here, public key encryption mechanism is used to ensure security and consistency. Content of the blocks can be predefined and randomly generated by users of the blockchain. Next, Omni PHR, distributed architecture model integrated personal health records. It's proposed by J. Demand and Inform. It's mainly used for clinical trials or data access, permission management and fields. EHR is interoperability and main benefits for Omni PHR for patients and fight counterfeit drugs in parametrical industry. Next, application of blockchain technology in power information asset lifecycle management. It's a IEEE paper. It's a contract mechanism used to design to provide the academic research foundation for practical application. Next paper is blockchain versus centralized database. I also see that this my topic TX is a blockchain based decentralized architecture. Here, blockchain versus centralized database proposed by J. Greenspan. Here, miners of POW power of work concept are subset of nodes, since all miners must also operate fully functional node. Thus, each miner is a node, but not every node is also a miner. Users of specific blockchain engaged with the blockchain, they actually connect to the network through a node. Next, I explain my proposed system. EduCTX, decentralized uh, blockchain-based higher education credit platform, uniformed view for the students and organizations. Here, first of all, this system is guaranteed that the transaction by ensuring authorized access. Release a public key cryptography and hashing mechanism. Here I used a hashing mechanism and encryption techniques, cryptography and hashing mechanism combined. And also I said that historical transactions are keeping. Each node is related with their previous node. It's a ring. It's like a ring model. So whenever we change or update any details, any credit details or profile details of students, it linked with their previous node. It's very secure. Data has been inserted into a node, it cannot be changed. Records are not lost to be wrongly modified. Next, steps. First of all, higher education institution join to the EduCTX network. Students, then next step. First of all, all higher education institution join to our EduCTX network. Then students register within that higher education system. Higher education system means colleges or institutions, etc. Then students register with this higher education system. Then organization verifies students' credit record. I detail in each steps. First of all, higher education system joining to the EduCTX network. First of all, I say that it's a prototype model. By implementing this prototype model, ARC blockchain network. First of all, generate its blockchain wallet. For joining to the EduCTX network, a higher education system create a wallet wallet and address that containing public key and private key. That private key must be secured and that stored in each higher education system. So first we want to create an address. For creating the wallet, each new higher education system is contact with the member of universities of EduCTX blockchain network. Any historical create a contact to one of the university members, that is known as MEM HEI, member of higher education institution. Then MEM HEI receives registration request. For that, in this member of higher education system is verify a newly created higher education system by using their wallet address. Okay, this wallet. When transaction is occurred, that member of higher education system is receive registration request, then they send a CTX token to the newly entered higher education system. Before that, before sending ECTX token, a member of higher MEM HEI verifies that the newly entered higher education member by matching their wallet address with the public key. Then after send a CTCX token to the newly created higher education system, then send a reimbursement request. Secret reimbursement request value is incorrect. Member of higher education system terminate the registration process. Okay, if the reimbursement value matched with the private key of the higher education system. The higher education system's value ballot address private key stored in that higher education system and key stored in the university is matched. If there any mismatch is occur, then higher education system will terminate this process, else otherwise that's newly ended higher education system can propagate the process through EduCTX member network. They enter to the EduCTX platform and add students to their list. Next step, students registration. For this students registration, first of all create a student ID. For creating student ID, they must be conduct higher education system and they provide a public key and a private key. That private key is stored in each student's node. For each student, create a new blockchain address with a public key and a private key. One of the key is stored in higher education system. For this, generate a 2-to multi-signature blockchain address with its public key and newly generate student's public key. Here, 2-to multi-signature blockchain address is used. Newly generated students public key and public key of the higher education system. Blockchain address with a multi-signature blockchain address is a combination of the public multi-signature blockchain address with its public key and newly generated students public key. Okay, multi-signature address combination of ID. It's stored in higher education institutions database. Then set up student wallet through the private channel and send a CTX token. Students send the CTX token to the higher education system. Then higher education system sign that transaction using its private key. After higher education system signing, then student can add their profile details extra. Next, organization verifies students' credit record. Later I said that students create their wallet. After creating their wallet, then each record, each credit and marks grades updated concurrently. Each marks are linked one to another. Okay, at last exams are over, the course is completed, then organization verifies student credit record for final grading system. In this stages here, send a blockchain address, multi-signature address and redeem script to verifier. a blockchain address and a multi-signature address and ready script to the verifier and verify this signature address and connect the blockchain web API to access blockchain data. To access that students' credit details, organizers connect with the blockchain web API. Then only they get that data. In the base of the ECTX token into multi-signature address. Whenever the organization get first of all I said that the organization send a blockchain address with multi-signature address and a ready script to the organizations. Organizations search any students record this and multi-signature address and blockchain address and ready script to that verifier. Then from that to multi-signature address they check an ECTX token in this address. In the base of ECTX token, the amount of ECTX token they can the system can verify that the credit value of that is particular student. Then determine that whether course is completed or not. Next, design. Here it's EduCTX decentralized network is then 3 users are the university college student, then database level 0. Next level 1 DFD 11 DFD 1 level is for admin. Our admin is university can log in into the system. First of all I say that create a valid address. Higher education system create a valid address, then log into the system, add and manage colleges, view student details, provide exam notification through the website, then view complaint and replace from the students or higher education system, add and manage colleges and add and manage course and department, add and manage subject for each course, then add marks, view marks. Next use level DFD for the college. Here each colleges can log in using their username password, then add and manage student details, add internal marks for the student, view internal marks and course management. Next level for the students. Their students can also log in using their username and password, then view their profile details, view their marks and view notifications, and students can also send complaints to the higher education system, university. Then university send they can also view the reply university send. Next, hardware and software. Here software requirements are IDE. This project is in I use IDE, Android Studio and Python. Next, front end is used HTML, Android XML, CSS, JS used. Backend Python and Android, Java is used. Database is MySQL database is used. Hardware requirement: processor Intel Core i3 use the my system is in i3. Then RAM 8 GB RAM minimum 8 GB RAM use then mouse keyboard input devices output is a monitor. Any other output devices are not used here. Implementation system architecture. Here three users are employer, student, higher education system. Here employer is the mainly the university. University is the one of the user, admin, then user, student and higher education system, colleges. These users are containing a public key and private key. These keys, by using this key, then enter to the this network. By using blockchain client API, the users enter to the blockchain network. This is a decentralized manner. Higher educations are in different centers, different global areas. Then the students are in this blockchain network are connected, and the nodes and data are stored in a blockchain network. At each time, students record and credits and student login details, college login details are verified by using their keys. Here one of the key is in users and another key is in an admin hand. Module description. Here three main modules are the university, college, student. University is admin module. For college registration, university can register colleges. University can provide valid address to the higher education system, colleges, and add notification in this website, and receive complaint and appropriate reply will send to the send for the complaint, and manage course, department and subject, and view, mark and registered students. Next, college is a user. They can also log in using username and password, and add and manage student details, add internal marks, manage course and view internal mark. Next user is student. They can also log in and provide a username and password, view their profile, view their marks and notification, send complaint and view reply. Next, algorithms. Here using SHA algorithm used for hashing, then proof of work, RSA algorithm used for encryption. SHA algorithm, secure hash algorithm. SHA algorithm is the secure hash algorithm. SHA algorithm and proof of work, and RSA algorithm. SHA algorithm, secured hash algorithm used for hashing. Here mainly hashing and cryptographic encryption. Cryptographic is used, public key cryptography is used, and hashing techniques are used. SHA is a secured hash algorithm, a family of cryptographic functions designed to keep data secured and transforming the data using hash functions. Cryptographic functions designed to keep data very secure. Each value, each token is CTX tokens are sent. These tokens are encrypted form. Users credit and each each node value is a node key, private public key is an encrypted format. Consists of bitwise operation. SHA algorithm used for the bitwise operations, modular addition and compression functions. Then proof of work, proof of work original consensus algorithm in a blockchain network. used to confirm transaction and produce new block to the chain. Here, each transaction is confirmed by using proof of work and new block to the chain. Produce new block to the chain. RSA algorithm is used for the encryption technique. Rivest-Shamir-Adleman RSA Rivest-Shamir-Adleman algorithm. It is asymmetric cryptographic algorithm. Public key cryptography. Here public key cryptography in RSA algorithm, one of the key is can given to the anyone and another key is private. One key is given to anyone and another key is to the private. SHA-1, SHA-2, SHA-3 it's are used commonly. Testing, conducted system integration test, validation and functional testing are passed successfully. No defect are encountered. Screenshot. First of all, our home page, then user login into EduCTX. Then user can add their details, contact, personal details, profile details, higher education system of their details, students have their details. Next screenshot is send complaints. Next is reply for that complaints, particular complaint and the reply. Next EduCTX notifications are seen. All I let us say that Android screenshots. Next is the web screenshot. It's a home page. Next also a login page. It's add higher education system colleges, their details. If any university can update these details, edit and delete. Education system add the courses. Each student details. Next is course details. University can also add courses. Then higher education system and add course to their institution and manage courses. Add to the student marks and details. Here is a percentage of student details ended. Also view student details. Subject it's a subject and the internal mark added by higher education system colleges and students internal marks for each subject. Then they add each student's details under each subject. Next conclusion. I also say that globally trusted higher education credit and grading system. It's a prototype model, very secure and integrity. This system is cannot be edited by or cannot be changed existing data is very difficult. Any third party organization cannot be edit in this data. Globally unified, one of the important benefits for this, a unified viewpoint for students and organization is very important. A globally view. Here I use an Arc blockchain based technique. Here, expert the benefits of the blockchain extremely. It's offering security, anonymity, longevity, integrity, very transparent view for each user, and immutability, global ecosystem simplification. When create an blockchain environment, eh, each higher education system can enter to this system, this higher education system. We provide secure for each of system. Create a globally trusted higher education credit and grading system. Future hope. I also said that this is a prototype model by using ARC blockchain method. So, this prototype model in real life environment. Test the prototype model in the real life environment, one of the main future scope. Then each course would be assigned with a unique blockchain address and pool of token. Each, I said that each student each higher education system has a unique blockchain address. Then in the future, we can add each course assigned with a unique blockchain address. Is most secure. Then potentially extended and adapted any existing credit or certificate system. Any existing credit or certificate system can adapt this blockchain based decentralized technique. References I refer different textbook, fundamentals of database system, software engineering system, Android cookbook for then Android programming, different websites I use the Twitter Code project. Thank you.